Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making ramen. Mine will be vegetarian, and I'll be making a chicken version for my friends. So to go with the ramen, I will be making some vegan egg rolls, just a really basic recipe with carrots, cabbage, and red onion. I hate when that happens. I'll be cooking this filling with a bit of sesame oil, vegetable broth, chili powder, and liquid aminos. It's really important to remember that when you're making this filling, it should not be soggy. You have to cook it on high heat. And after you cook it, use a colander to strain the majority of the liquid out. You don't want a soggy filling because a soggy filling makes for a soggy egg rolls, and nobody wants that. So I'm gonna take some wonton wrappers and a little bit of water and add 1 tablespoon of filling to the egg roll. And just roll it up. When it's like that, pop it in the freezer to cool. Now we're gonna make our vegetables. These I'm going to saute with a little bit of agave and put them in the bowl with the ramen. The chives I will not be cooking, obviously. So tell me why I asked my friends if they like mushrooms, and they were like, well, you can put them on the plate, but I probably won't eat them. What? Just tell me you don't want. Anyways. So this tofu was froze and defrosted twice to get this really good, firm consistency. Tofu is a little bit spongy to me. I used to not like it at all. But now that I know how to cook it, I know how to fry it up really good so it's tender and delicious. I love it. I make it all the time. So these are just some cute little delicious lemon pepper tofu nuggets that I will be putting on my bowl. There's the ramen. I decided not to fry the asparagus. I just wanted to put it in the bowl. Honestly, I'm not great at cooking asparagus, so there it is. It was delicious either way. This is a spicy ramen, as you can see by the chili flakes, and I threw some Sriracha in there too. And this is gonna combat that because I seasoned the peppers with agave. Now we're gonna cook the egg rolls. It should only take a couple minutes to deep fry these to this consistency. So at this part, I'm just going to show the chicken that I made for my friends. This is honey mustard chicken. I used Dijon and raw honey, plus a few other seasonings. And I marinated it for a full day because I knew they were coming. And this is their plate. Grilled delicious chicken tenders first. Some sweet agave sauteed peppers. And a few chives. Egg roll on top. That's beautiful. I love it. And here's my plate. I love eggs, and with the mushrooms I just threw some black pepper on it. That's not even half the tofu I cooked. You guys, honestly, they ate all my tofu. I was like, try the tofu, it's good, and they tried one, and then I looked back and it was over. So thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, if you want to tell me what your favorite ramen combination is or favorite restaurant. I'd love to hear it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.